Just pulled the exhaust off. Oh my god. Look what they did. Cut a stupid hole in it, bro. Fucking serious, bro? Man, you should have seen what I had to do. AC condenser, motor mount, freaking blah blah blah. All the bolts for the exhaust had to come off. Oh god. All jacked up. Man, I do this stuff. Trying to fix this car up. Thinking about making videos. Trying to get paid to do it. These guys are like 200, 300 videos per car, repair videos. I'm like, dude, am I gonna make 200 or 300 repair videos? Well, if you guys want to freaking see more stuff like this, actually watch me do it. Take the exhaust off, freaking repair stuff like freaking the windshield and freaking little cosmetic stuff. Freaking the shifter, the radio, freaking the hood, the freaking latch needs fixed. Freaking, if you guys want to see more stuff like that, comment. If I get a lot of comments, I'll make more videos. Alright, hit me up. Project Sketch. Trying to make that money.